Hey guys, welcome back to the other episode of our tutorial video. This is me Kate here, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to download Coinbase app on Android mobile. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, on your mobile device, open up the Google Play Store. Once you open up, now on the search bar at the top of this interface, type in Coinbase. Once you search for that, you will get the result and tap on Coinbase. Now from this interface, tap on install. Depending upon your internet connection, your app will get some time to download. Once the app is downloaded and installed, simply open that app and log into your account, and that's how you can simply download Coinbase app on Android device. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon so that you will get update the next time we upload more tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.